Hello everyone, I am Djemnahfe Bagtasos. Today I will explain my Python program called Library Account, which demonstrates the concept of encapsulation in object-oriented programming. So encapsulation means hiding important data inside a class and controlling how it can be accessed or modified. This helps protect data from being changed directly and keep the program organized. Now, let's go through the code step by step. First, we create class called library account. A class is like a blueprint used to create object. In this case, the class represents as a library account for a student. Inside the class, we have the constructor method underscore int underscore. This method runs automatically when we create a new library account. Here we are two public attributes which are student underscore name, student underscore ID. This hold the student information. Next, we have two private attributes. Underscore underscore borrowed underscore count. Underscore penalty underscore balance. So that is the two private attributes. The double underscore means the variables are private. So they cannot be changed directly outside in the class. So this is the part of encapsulation because it protects the internal data of the system. After that, is property methods. This allows us to read the value of borrowed books and penalty balance but not modify them directly. So next is the borrowed book methods. This function allows the student to borrow a book, but there is a rule. A student can only borrow up to 3 books. So kay limit naman natong 3, so 3 books are yung ilahang pwede ma-borrow. So the program first check if the borrowed books already reach 3. If yes, the system denies borrowing. If not or no, the borrowed account increased by 1. So next is return book day late methods. When a student return a book, borrowed count increased by 1, but if the books is returned late, the program calculates penalty up to 10 pesos per day late. And it adds that amount to penalty balance. Then, we have the penalty amount methods. These methods allow the student to pay their penalty. The penalty is deducted from the penalty balance if the payment is more than balance, and the system simply reset the balance to 0. Next is the show status method, which displays the student information include name, student ID, borrowed books, penalty balance. And finally, we create an object called student representing Anne Cruz. So, example na as a name. Then, we test the system by borrowing books. Then, trying to borrow more than the limit. So, try ta og borrow more than the limit. And, returning a book late, paying the penalty, showing its final account status. So overall, this program demonstrates encapsulation by protecting important data like borrowing books and penalty balance and only allowing change through specific methods. And that's it. And that is the explanation of my library account program in Python. Thank you.